any moment now.
Are you sure this is what you want?
Oh, spare me, you spongy tablet tabloid. If you want to psychoanalyze someone, don't look at me. Look at them, it's so pathetic how they run to such their sticks. Sure, call me plamic, unsympathetic. At least I know other tricks. Look at me on UC is the brief songs of some affected outcasts. A friend if poet will iconic class, but I won't live in the past. I almost won this game once, but history's being rich just to credit those who win the glory. So reality has changed in the edit when they spin the story, and we choose to feel this pain, and we lose more than we gain. But I will break this cycle of mistakes, unlike all these snakes whom I call to condemn. If I can win the prize, I'll play this reprisal just to lay their lies all to an end.
You need to be generation.
Unfortunately, I don't have much faith in that process.
Of
course not. Why?
Of course not. You believe yourself to be capable of starting over in more ways than I do not know who you lost, but it's not possible to give them back.
Clear that stage, start again. Are you hearing that proper that sound? How do you not comprehend with someone with my monstrous background? The whole stage has fallen apart.
Taco, that is not true. There is
other. It's too late.
It's not
Too late for me to restart. But it's not I, it's they who play this game so cruel. And you hear basing on good. I think they're too afraid to bear this bad they made. That face to bring themselves to the face. That's the awful truth. Turning up the heat to saute, I have a beef to get grilled. But I fully guarantee that today all the beans I get spilled will be mine. No, I'm fine. Now it's time.